Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram add to stories not showing up. So if you are facing this problem, what you have to do is first of all open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon you have to tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. And after tapping on settings and privacy you just have to scroll down, and inside how others can interact with you can find sharing and remixes. You just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on that option you can find the first option, allow post and reels sharing to stories. You just have to turn on that option if you have that option turned off, and by turning on this option what it will do is people can share their post and reels to their story. So this is how you can fix Instagram add to story not showing up. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.